Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today I am going to sow some summer seeds. So we will talk about how to grow these seeds in for summer season. So these are very tiny seeds. These are rudbeckia seeds. Rudbeckia are very beautiful flower of summers. They are yellow colored small flowers. They look like sunflowers and look very beautiful and add bright yellow color to our garden. These are very tiny seeds. I have very few seeds, so I am placing them one by one with the help of forceps on growing medium. And but if you have large amount of seeds, you can add, this is river sand. You can add this river sand to the seeds to maintain distance between the seeds so that they don't remain stuck with each other. So but I have very few seeds, 15 to 20 I think. So I am going to place these seeds one by one with the help of forceps on the growing media. So I have taken this cocoa peat and added one part of cocoa peat and half part of perlite and half part of vermiculite for making this and half part of vermicompost also to prepare this growing media. If you don't have cocoa peat, this perlite and vermiculite, you can add this. You can add one part of cocoa peat and half part of vermiculite only. Vermiculite ni vermicompost to make this seed sowing mixture. And if you don't have this cocoa peat, you can simply take river sand to grow and add some vermicompost in that to make the growing medium for seeds. Because seeds, they require very light medium so that the tiny roots get very aerated medium to grow, soft medium to grow. Because seeds are very small, tender, the roots are also very tender, so they require very soft medium. And in when we use this cocoa peat, there is one advantage. Cocoa peat also have some amount of trichoderma. Trichoderma is a biofungicide, it is a fungus. So cocoa peat contains trichoderma. That trichoderma prevents seeds from getting fungal infection. So rotting of young seedling is very common. So that trichoderma prevents that rotting. Now, since these are very small seeds, there is no need to put a layer of anything on the seeds. Just spread the seed and press it with gentle hand. So if you want, as we have habit of, you can sprinkle little cocoa peat over that. These are the vinca seeds. As I said, I have very small number of seeds, so I am placing these seeds one by one on the medium, growing medium mixture. But if you have more numbers of seeds, you should add some river sand to give space between seeds. So these are vinca seeds. These are also very small seeds. In small seeds, we don't have to make a layer of soil mixture over the seeds, because these small seeds, they don't require covering. Just sprinkle these seeds or put these seeds on the media and press with gentle hand so that these seeds come in contact with the medium properly, and medium should be moist enough so they germinate and they hold the medium with their soil. So because we are not covering these seeds, so we should not water these overhead. Or you can, if you want to water these seeds, you can use any spray bottle, or I generally don't water these seeds with spray bottle, even spray water. I put this generally put the this container or this pot in a tray of water tray, and then I add water to that tray, not directly to the growing medium. So this is how we should give water seed. And after growing seeds, as you can see, I have divided this pot into 4 portions, and I'm going to sow 4 type of seeds. And this is, you can see, I am tagging the portion with the name of flower, and this is Vinca. You can see Vinca is visible, that tag is of Vinca. Now the next flower seed which I am going to sow is of zinnia. And one thing I want to say, that when you prepare this, before placing the seeds, these are zinnia seeds. Zinnia seeds are little larger, bigger than the Vinca and Rudbeckia seeds, so they are very easy to place on medium. And we will cover these seeds, as they are as I said, little bigger. We'll cover these seeds with a layer of cocoa peat or river sand, or any media in which you are growing. So we should water the soil or soil mixture properly before before sowing the seeds. So I generally water this medium with means I dissolve some amount of half teaspoon in this pot. I have added half teaspoon of trichoderma. As I said, this cocoa peat already has some amount of trichoderma, but I add extra. Generally, I always add extra amount of trichoderma, because to prevent these seedlings from rotting. So half teaspoon of trichoderma, and see, I am pressing the soil media after leveling it. So it is by doing this we can check whether any seed is above means out of the soil on the surface. If there is any seed on the surface, cover that also with some mixture. And the second thing which I add is trichoderma, and second is humic acid. Right now I don't have humic acid in this, I haven't added. If you have humic acid, you can add humic acid. Available in the market it is. Take 1 pinch or 2 pinch of humic acid in that. See, I am tagging zinnia. And humic acid make it easy for it helps in the germination of the seeds. So your seeds will germinate early and easily if you add humic acid in the water for first watering. When you are watering the soil mixture. Now these are the sunflower seeds. These sunflowers are red in color, red sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are bigger in size. They are also edible. Sunflower seeds are edible actually. So these are very easy to place them on the soil mixture. And these seeds are bigger, we will cover them with 2 centimeter of soil mixture. Seeds should be placed twice the depth as of their diameter. Twice the depth of their twice the depth of their diameter. So these seeds are, I think, 1 centimeter in diameter or half centimeter. I am covering it 1 or 2 centimeter of with 2 centimeter of this soil mixture. Cover it properly. No seed should be visible after covering. Press them gently after covering, and after that, as our soil mixture is already moist, good amount of water has been given to this, so no need to sprinkle it or spray it after placing, because the soil mixture already has a good amount of water in it. So, and after sowing all these seeds, I will place them in any shady place where they don't get sunlight, among your plants where there is moisture around, and no means bright light, no bright light in the shady area. Place it for 1 or 2 or 3 days until they sprout, and after sprouting, shift them in an area where they get 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours of morning sun, and the other day indirect light. And because when you keep them in shade after sprouting, your seedlings will become leggy, and leggy seedlings, they droop, they fall, and their survival rate decreases. So when sprouts come, shift them in morning sun area. When they become little bigger, then shift them to half day sun area, as they are summer flowering plants. They need lots of sun. So shift them to half day sun area where they can get morning half day sun, not protect them from afternoon sun. And when true leaves will come, and they will become 2 inches or 3 inches long, we will transplant them in their original pots where we will grow them. So this is all about the sowing. This is the plate in which I have kept this container, and I'll water whenever I'll water, have to water it. I'll water, put water in that tray, and in that water you can add little NPK 19-19-19, 1 or 2 pinch or half teaspoon, up to half teaspoon you can add, so that nitrogen will help to grow the seedlings bigger. So this is all about sowing seeds, and I'll show you the results also, and I will transplant these seedlings with you when they will grow. So friends, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.